Like that? Yeah, you like that, don't you? Yeah, Jacob giving you a good rubbing? Yeah. Yeah.
Hi, pretty boy. Hi, pretty boy.
He loves
What are
that.
you doing?
Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Precious and Jacob. And Precious just woke up and Jacob's getting ready for school. But Precious loves a good rub. Yeah, you do, don't you? Jacob knows exactly how to rub him. Get him to calm down and relax. Yeah, Jacob's giving you a good rubbing, huh? You hear the coffee maker? Yeah, it's okay. Just a coffee maker. Yeah. I know, it's great, isn't it? Yeah.
Here you go.
Jacob loves you. So Jacob was playing at the playground and Precious was following him. And
All the way from the car wash, which was at least...
It was down the street a little ways, and the bird, Precious, followed him to the playground and wouldn't leave him alone. So we brought him home.